Okay, so hello dear friends. Today in this video we are going to talk about a topic that is one of my brother asked me, bro, I know use vocabularies but I couldn't use these vocabularies, or I don't know how to use these vocabularies in speaking, because when I try to speaking mind goes blank, I couldn't speak. What's that kind of problems? Okay, now I'll talk about these topics elaborately. Please listen carefully. So this entire video gonna be from my perspective. If I made any mistake, I'm seeking apologize from you, because I'm also a learner. This is actually I'm doing in order to improve my English speaking and my fluency. Okay, so this is the great way to improve English. Okay, you can try it, okay, by making video actually. So dear friends, let's find out the problems. What's actually the problems happen with us when we try to use vocabularies, even though we know use many numerous several vocabularies, play through our vocabularies. Okay, so let's talk about it. First thing I will talk about you, that is we normally we usually do that things every day. That is, when we start our English learning journey, we don't know how to learn vocabulary. We just note down vocabulary in our notebook and try to speak, but we couldn't, because we don't practice this vocabulary several times, or we don't practice this vocabulary repeatedly. Okay, so first of all, if you want to use any vocabularies in your speaking, what you should do, you have to practice this vocabularies, use many several times, because without that you couldn't use it in your speaking. When we try to speak, our mind goes blank, but your mind will accept all of these things when you repeatedly do that, when you practice these vocabularies. Okay, so how to do that? And there's also some problems, because we are learning these vocabularies from its passive form. We are not activating these vocabularies. So how to activate these vocabularies? First of all, if you wanna activate a vocabularies, okay, when you are speaking, that means you are activating each and every sentence and vocabulary. So how to active? Try to note down each and every single vocabularies along with the sentence. When you will note down a vocabulary along with the sentence, you are comprehending that you are understanding, you are knowing that how to use these vocabularies in sentence or in speaking. You are knowing, you are explaining the vocabulary, the meaning of this vocabulary. That's why you will be able to use these vocabularies in your speaking. But what we did, we just note down, but we don't use it in our speaking, in our daily life, in our sentences. Okay, so try to note down each and every vocabulary along with its sentence. Okay, and the second thing is we note down our vocabularies with Bangla meaning. I don't agree with it. Maybe all of us we do that. We note down vocabularies with Bangla meanings, but I don't do that. Honestly speaking, I don't do that. I just note down vocabularies with its synonyms or its similar vocabularies, or with a sentence or with several sentences. Because when I am knowing several or numerous vocabularies, synonym vocabularies, which vocabularies I am learning, I'm noting down with its similar or synonym vocabularies. And when I start speaking, sometimes what happened with us is we just start stammering. We get stuck. Okay, it's happened with us. So when you will use similar vocabularies or synonym vocabularies, you can immediately use the words in that sentence, and you can continue your speaking. You can consistently continue your speaking, right? So try to learn vocabularies with its synonyms or similar words, as well reduce your Bangla thinking or using Bangla, okay, in the vocabulary or in a sentence or in your speaking. Try to reduce thinking in Bangla. Okay, and I'm not disrespect my mother tongue. I'm not ignoring my mother tongue. I love it, and it's the I said before that it's the core of my heart. It's flowing in my bloodstream. So I never ever ignoring my mother tongue. I love it. Okay, but you are trying to learn a different language. So if you want to do that, just focus on it. How to focus? Just try to reduce your native language and just shift yourself in English. Definitely if it will help you. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I also face that problems. When I started, I just try to reduce Bangla. That time I couldn't speak, therefore I mean, even then I have to think in my mother tongue. But day by day, when I try to reduce it, sometimes I feel bored. Oh my god, it's being so difficult for me. Therefore even then I try. Okay, even though I try, and day by day I reduce this, I overcome these problems, and now I can speak without thinking in Bangla, my mother tongue. And another thing I want to talk to you, that if you wanna use vocabularies in your speaking, try to watch videos every day and try to listen that videos several times, numerous times. Yeah, we usually do that. That is, we just watch huge video, many videos every single day. But I want to suggest you that try to listen a single video at least 10 times, and during your learning journey, just sometimes try to watch this video. Okay, I vividly remember that I watched a video 1 year ago, not a video, several video 1 year ago, and still sometimes whenever I get free time and whenever I thought that, oh my god, I'm forgetting these words, I start listening this video, because each and every videos contained huge words. So when you will practice these words, I mean, you can practice it by listening, by reading, by writing, then you will be able to use these words. That's why sometimes I forget all these vocabularies, and again I listen this video, and it helps me to remember all of these things again, and I can use it. So I suggest you try to listen a single video every day, and after listening it several times, try to note down some important or fascinating vocabularies in your notebook. Then again try to listen it and try to imitate with it. Try to imitate, try to utter all of the sentence or these words along with this video. Okay, hope this will help you very much. Honestly speaking, I have been doing this, I have been pursuing these techniques. When I realized that all of these old things, all of these old tricks doesn't work on me, I just start following these tricks. So dear friends, actually I made another video before making this video, but unfortunately my phone storage is gonna be finished, and after 47 seconds it just stopped. So again I making this video, and without preparation I am making this video. I normally try to make video without getting any kind of preparations, because I tried before about this. I mean, I tried to got preparation about about a video, and then when I started I just forgot all of these things. Everything gonna be messy, disassembled. So I thought that I should make video without getting preparations, because everything is coming on my mind, and right now I'm able to speaking. So what's is important to need, I mean, what's it's need to get preparations about this. Okay, and I'm confident. That's why actually I'm never ever need to get any kind of preparations for these topics. I just talking everything from my considerations, from my perspective. So try to support me, and if this video will help you, try to react, try to like or share or follow my um, YouTube or Facebook channels. Okay, not YouTube channels and Facebook page. Not page, is my profile actually. So dear friends, hope this video will help you, and see you in the next video. But I'm a little bit upset because the previous video was so good, and there I share many things about this, and I elaborately talk about this, and I explain very clearly in that video, but unfortunately I lost this. So I'm so sad here now. So dear friends, the weather is windy here. My hair gonna be messy. So bye bye, have a good day, have a good night, see you in the next video.